Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to do a pearl and marble nail art that's really popular in Brazil. My nails are already prepped and ready for the extension. I'm going to use a square tip for this art. This tip is really curved and I personally love it because it has a deeper stress point. But I understand that for some people this can be a problem. For this art, I'm going to make two marks. The first mark is close to my natural nail where I'm going to do a gradient. The second mark is to mark the total length of my extension. The correct way to spread the gel here is to go from one side of the mold to the other. And while I'm at it, I'm going to do a gradient because this will act as a baby boomer in white. Always watch to make sure everything is okay. The cool thing about working with F1 molds is that they're transparent, which makes your work easier because you can see what you're doing. I'm going to cure this first part for 5 seconds just to harden that thin layer where I did the gradient. Now I'm going to apply a layer of clear gel where I'm going to glue all my accessories. First, I'm going to add my pearls. One big one in the center and two smaller ones on the sides. I'm also going to use some glitter behind them. I don't use a lot because I want it to just give a little shine behind the pearls to make the pearls stand out. To finish off, I'm also going to use some gold leaves to add a touch of charm to this decoration. Oh girls, I want to know what you think of this content so far. Have you left your like? Your like is very important for this channel. Your like is an indicator that you're enjoying it, and in this way you help me bring more content like this. I know you love a nail art, so I always try to bring simple, easy to do decorations using the greatest evolution in the nail world, which is the F1 mold. It makes our work even easier. I did a 5-second check to make sure all the pearls, glitter, and gold leaves are adhered. Now I'm going to build the entire nail bed. I'm going to use white gel for this part, and I'm going to take advantage of this and encapsulate the tip with clear gel because I want the tip to be transparent. I cured my nail for 120 seconds on top and 60 seconds on bottom because it's not a very long extension. But before I remove the mold, I want to show you the materials I used. These are the pearls. Notice that there are several options. This is the glitter I used, a flocked glitter in blue. The other glitter I used is a little whiter and a color thief and looks really cool for this decoration. And of course the gold leaves. I'll remove the gum from my gel. That only stays underneath because of the F1 mold. Now I'm going to remove the mold so you can see this beauty almost finished. Don't leave the video yet because it's not over yet. Now comes the most important part, which is the finishing. With the manual file, I'm going to remove only the plastic burrs from the mold. There's no excess product here. Okay? Done. I have finished my manual sanding on the side walls and tip sanding. Now I'm going to do a sanding in the cuticle area with my tungsten straight mouth. With the use of the spatula, I felt that there was still a little product left. So I come with my diamond coated 718 drill and pass it over the cuticle area to make sure there's nothing else. Finishing the sanding with a premium finish, and with the use of a tungsten drill for curvature and finishing, I accentuate the curvature of the extension and take advantage to make some corrections. Now to finish, I'm going to use my polishing file. I'm going to polish here on top to remove any marks, traces of drill, and because there is no technical sanding in the F1 mold. Keep in mind that it cannot be smooth here on top when you finish with top coat. So I need to create this porosity for top coat adhesion. I do all the cleaning with prep, removing all traces of dust, dirt, and oiliness. And look how beautiful it already is, even before finishing the art. I'm going to use this fine tip brush to do the marbled effect. First, I'm going to seal my extension with a thin layer of top coat. Don't need to exaggerate, it's just a layer that covers the entire extension. And I'm going to take advantage of this layer while it's still wet to do the marbled effect. I pass the brush this way. You don't need much. This way I'm creating strokes with wavy movements. And as the top coat is still wet, it's going to expand and create a really cool marbled effect. Leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with all the content I release here. Take advantage and share this video with other people who also want to learn to work with F1 mold. It's very important for you to share. Okay. See? No secret or mystery at all to create an art like this. Marbled effect ready. Now I'm going to take it to the booth and cure it for 60 seconds on top and 60 seconds on bottom. Done. Nail art finished. Now I want to know from you, did you like the art? Did you have any questions? Leave it here in the comments. Leave in the comments also what you think of the extension using F1 mold with GL. See you in the next video. Bye.